What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to talk about the easiest way to make thousands of dollars for the average person. And that is reselling, y'all. I'm telling you, reselling is such easy money. It's ridiculous. Just these blue faces right here would have been about 2.5 months of busting my ass. And that's before the tax man came and took the money out. So at my old job, it would have taken me about 6 months for all of the money that you guys just saw to make. This only took 1 week. And on top of that, that's just reselling. That doesn't include Amazon FBA. That doesn't include my e-commerce stores. That doesn't include CPA marketing. That doesn't include anything else that I do, including the Cash App methods, etc. None of that. So I'm telling you guys, you can make some really good money if you simply put your mind to this stuff and you don't give up and you just stay at it. Give it 1 solid week, just 1 solid week at reselling. And I mean 1 solid week, I mean actually put in as much effort, time, and energy as you do at your job working for someone else making them rich. If you can go and put 40 hours a week making someone else rich, you should have no problem putting in that same amount of effort, time, and energy into yourself to help make yourself rich, or at the bare minimum, make thousands of dollars every single month. You're probably like, DeAngelo, man, I don't know what to sell. What am I supposed to sell? I don't know what to sell. Don't even do that. You know what to sell, right? Let's say you got these Nike cleats right here, right? What's gonna be easier to sell? These Nike cleats or, a random ass little pen thing or whatever? The Nike cleats, right? What's going to be easier to sell? This Xbox controller or this random ass game that I found at Walmart? The Xbox controller. Come on now, you know what to sell. Don't play like you don't know what to sell. If you would go to the store and buy it, odds are someone else will buy it. If you have absolutely no idea what's selling, you can look it up. Like, oh, what's selling the most on Amazon, on Google? You can Google everything else. Why can't you Google that? It's going to help you make more money, right? So, telling you guys, this stuff works fantastically, and you don't even need a crap ton of money. You can go to OfferUp, Macari, Let Go, wherever, Facebook Marketplace, and all you do is buy products for lower than what you can sell them for. So if I find an iPhone that dude's selling for $60 because he just needs some money right now, I can go buy that phone for $60, sell it for $120, pocket the $60 in profit, and keep it moving over and over and over again. See, the problem with a lot of people is once they get started in this, they'll do it, they'll see results, but then they'll start taking money out to pay for bills and all this. Don't do any of that. If you got $1,000 right now and you got like 800 in bills or whatever, take the 800, pay your bills or whatever, then $100 left over for yourself, and then take that $100 and then take that and give that to your business. Just leave that for your business. No matter how much money it starts making, you don't touch it until like the goal that you have in your mind is set. So let's say it's $5,000. Until it hits $5,000, don't touch it. It might take a month, might take 2 months, might take 3 months. It literally just depends on how serious you are about this and your starting income. Because obviously, if you got $1,000 right now, it's going to be a lot easier for you to get to $5,000 than someone who has $100. Or I guess it just depends on what it is that you're selling. Because the person with $100 might be really cold and jewelry, and they can go to the Goodwill, find some stuff that costs like 50 cents and sell it for 200. So I mean, it really just depends on what you're selling. But if you're just going for your name brand stuff, which I recommend, because again, it's going to sell quick and you don't have to worry about if it's going to sell or not. If you start going to get like gimmicky products and stuff like that, that's when you got to worry about if it's going to sell and if you're going to get your money back and all that. Stick to the name brand stuff. Again, you can buy an iPhone for $100, flip it for 200. Do that. Pocket the $100 difference, and you just keep flipping over and over and over. If you flip 1 time per day, that's $3,000 per month in profit. Not bad, right? So all you have to do is just keep flipping and keep flipping and keep flipping. So as you guys can see, it's a very simple concept. You give people what they want and they'll give you money. It's just that simple. And it's guaranteed to work. If you can buy an iPhone that's selling for 150, just regularly, and you can get it for 60, then you can just pocket the difference over and over. Now, the deals aren't going to come like that every single day. That's why you have to sell multiple different products. But you guys get the point. It's very simple, and all you have to do is give people what they want. So a lot of people come into this whole marketing space, and then they try to not give people what they want. They try to do shit like this. Hey, your typical broke-minded consumer here, trying to buy that $1,200 iPhone off you. What form of payments do you take? I take many forms of payment. But before we get into that, how about if I tell you a way that you can take your $1,200 and invest it and be able to make enough money to buy a brand new iPhone every single week? And it's only gonna cost you $100. What do you think about that? Come on, man, I know you wanna do that. You can literally buy a brand new iPhone every single week and it's gonna cost a fraction of the price, man. What I think about that, I think I give a fuck less. I came here to buy a phone, not to get my credit repaired, not to improve my life in any way. I want this new phone. I have $1,262 in my bank account. That's just enough to clear the $1,200 plus tax. Give me my fucking iPhone. You barely have enough for the phone. Why won't you just take $100 and learn how to invest it so you can literally buy one every single week? I have, like, there's proof, there's testimonies, there's everything, dude. Like, this is legit, man. Like, how are you, like, what are you not understanding right now? I'm not understanding. What the fuck are you not understanding? I just told you I came here for an iPhone, not some fucking shit that's gonna make my life better, not for something that's going to repair my credit, not for something that's gonna make me thousands of dollars. I came here to be a broke ass piece of shit, typical consumer. Take my fucking money and give me the iPhone. But dude, if you just, you know what? Fuck you. I'm going somewhere else and I'm gonna spend my money with them. And just like that, you lost hundreds of dollars because you were trying to force people to do what they don't want to do. If they want to live paycheck to paycheck, let them live paycheck to paycheck. If they want to work the next 40, 60 years of their life, let them work. Let them be. If they want to be a typical broke-minded consumer, let them be. Stop trying to change people. And I might sound like a dick, but I'm telling you, I already tried this. When I first became a marketer, I thought I was a superhero. You know, my chest was all out. And I was like, yeah, man, you know, I can save all of these people. And I got all the information that can help all these people make money and all this stuff. And literally, like, barely anybody take action. People don't want to be their own boss. People don't want to go and make thousands of dollars every month and actually put in work. People don't want to do any of that shit. Like, why do you think the Bitsino videos get like 90%, you know, of people signing up for it and actually taking action versus the Cash App videos and the CPA marketing videos and the Amazon videos and all the other business making videos where people actually have to work to make money get less than 1% of people who actually take action? People don't want to do work. People just want to get paid. And that's not how the real world works. Like, even the people in Bitsino, you have some people whining and crying about how it takes literally a couple of days for them to get 100% return on investment. And they are doing nothing. They aren't promoting, they aren't recruiting, they aren't making YouTube videos, they aren't doing a damn thing and still have the nerve to open their mouth and complain. Like, it's mind-blowing to me. But that's just how it is, guys. You cannot force people to do what they don't want to do. If they don't want to make money, forget it. Sell them the iPhone, sell them the BMW, sell them whatever it is. It doesn't matter if they can barely afford it and you think it is completely stupid for them to be buying it, because it is. It doesn't matter what you think. It's what they want. The outcome is going to be the same. They're either going to get it from you or they're going to get it from somebody else. You might as well get paid. But that is pretty much it, guys. That is the easiest way to make money online, in my opinion, flipping and giving people exactly what they want, whether you think they need it or not. Unless it's drugs, because then you're a piece of shit.